Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com, and today we're going to break down the Driven Halo fuel cap install on our 2018 STG BMW S1000RR project bike. Okay. Driven Halo fuel cap and base install. First thing we need to do is get the key. Let's go ahead and open up the OE fuel cap. A little different than the Japanese bikes. That key just pulls right out. We then need to remove the 4 T20 Torx fasteners that hold the OEM cap and base on the bike. You're going to leave the one up here towards the front of the motorcycle. No need to take that one out. This install looks a little bit different than what we see with some of the Japanese bikes. Seems to be the consistent theme with this BMW project, just a little different. Okay. Like so. This piece is going to remain on the bike. We also want to grab this gasket, as we're going to be reusing that. Drop that back into position. Fuel tank venting. This is a question that comes up all the time. By design, replacing this maintains all the OEM vent functions that were built into this bike. Nothing changes, okay? You want to make sure you've got your gasket here. That goes in between the base and the inlet of the tank. Drop that into position. Look at how nice and clean that is. This comes with 4 fasteners that hold the base in place. The instructions, I do believe, mentioned perhaps using some medium strength thread locker. I don't feel that's necessary. So we're going to roll without it. 4 T-handle here. Super easy install. Who is this right for? This is, kind of a track-focused mod. There are some street riders that go keyless on the gas cap. It looks a little nicer for sure. Others prefer the safety and security of having a locking cap. Once I get these all run down flush, then we'll start to apply a little torque to it. No torque wrench is going to be used here. Just good even torque. Make several passes. Draw it down as even as I can. Like so. This cap is available in several colors. Jimmy went with red. Oh, look at that, how beautiful that is. Really clean too, the way Driven designed this so it reuses that OEM gasket that goes between the tank and the cap base. That just looks fantastic. If you have any questions, just leave in the comments section of this video. I answer all those myself, and I'm here to help you get the same result from your project we did ours.